Today we got another one of those moments. It's like, what the hell were you guys thinking? So, my buddy bought this train horn, and we'll just put it on his truck. So, I'm going to show you guys down here. I had to remove the spare tire, and I made a bracket, put it up in the spare tire area, ran all the lines. There's the check valve. Still got an old crown cable in here. There's the main feed line going up, and then got the tank and everything right here. Pump, 5-gallon tank. So wired everything in already. Got a toggle switch installed to turn it on and off. And he didn't want to have it hooked up to the horn, so I put this button on for him. Well, let's see. So, get the air compressor going. Charges up to 150 psi roundabout. And then I'm gonna hit that horn real quick, but you probably can't hear it as good on the phone. Then you hear it here, like you go literally deaf if you're standing next to it. It's pretty crazy. It's pretty much this one, horn blaster, train horn. We're at 80 psi now. Actually, that's plenty. So, I'll hit the button here in a second. It's pretty fucked up. It's loud as hell. I don't want to keep doing it, otherwise we're going to have the cops here. He wanted it, so we installed it. That's what we do. Enjoy this video. Thank you.